Yeah, gamers, it's Ash. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a thumbnail with tubebuddy. Sorry, I know this is just random. So first of all, you want to go to your channel. You just want to click on this little create button and then click on the upload video. That's just how you do it. Ew. What should I upload? I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, actually I do know. I'm just gonna upload in my Minecraft intro because you want to scroll down to thumbnail, click on create thumbnail. It'll take us to this little thing. So you want to click, so you can either click on still frame from video, or you could grab a solid color, frame image, or existing thumbnail. So you could use like your custom background. I'm actually gonna go with solid color. Yeah, I actually really love that color. Nice. Continue. And then you have a bunch of these things, so you can add text, image, shape, emoji, frame, template. So just click on an image, and here we can just add in any picture. My logo is already here, and I uploaded a GFX thing. Added it in. So basically, what you want to do is use this thing, not this, so you can just scale it down with its correct proportions. You can just enter in whatever. I'm just gonna do write in tubebuddy. Why not? Is that? I don't know if it's capital. I'm just gonna do capital. It's red. Sure. Why do I care? Do I have any fonts? Oh yeah, I do have some fonts. I have like, okay, I only have one font that I have, so let's just use it. Yeah, so add there. Oh my god, that's big. So we can just make it smaller, and yeah, also, this is, okay. Oopsies, no, oh, I can't control Z. Oh no, undo, that's horrible. It's nightmare. No, control Z. Control Z is your best friend. And it's not here. I think I went on vacation. Like my internet sometimes does. Sometimes. Barely. Let's just continue. Let's add a line sign tutorial because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna make another layout. Click on this button and then it does that. And thumbnail. Wait, sorry. Custom thumbnail. This is the worst thumbnail ever. Exclamation mark. Oh no, wait. Let's add instead of exclamation mark, let's add a 1. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna add anything actually. There we go. So I'm just going to do like shape, whatever. Let's add a star. Oh, that's cute. I don't know. I'm holding the star. Wait, yeah, yeah. I want myself to be holding the star. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna make it yellow because stars are yellow. So yeah, basically this is how you make it. Like I'm just adding weird things because I'm weird. And then just click on continue, and then you can preview it like that. What? What? Okay, there's a bunch of random videos here, but as you can see, I blurred them out because I'm not gonna promote any random videos. Promote. I'm not gonna give. Yeah, just never mind. Never minder. Minder. Never. Minder. So there's some thumbnail tips here. You can just use bright colors and high contrast images, like I said in my YouTube tips. Tips on how to grow. Like, I did say that, and to be honest, I didn't check anywhere if I was supposed to say that, and thankfully I was right. What if I wasn't? What if that was? Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Let's hope that was actually correct. Include a close-up of a human face whenever possible. What if you... Okay, never mind. Make sure text is large enough to read on any device. Yes, do that. Yeah, do that. The second one isn't actually like possible for many people, so you can just do your Minecraft or Roblox character. Yeah, use fonts, colors, shapes that are consistent with your brand. Interesting. And then you can just press this button, save and publish. And yeah, I'm just gonna click on back. And then I'm just gonna click this button. And yeah, it just takes you there. Or you can just click on upload thumbnail, open whatever, blah blah blah. It has like some of these thumbnails and like subscribe. AshGamingGirl. These are like, what are these? Oh my god, this is the best one out of all of them. RMG, I'm totally gonna click on this. So this is the part of the tutorial where I show you how to install tubebuddy. So what you want to do is search up extension. And then this one should pop up, Google, Chrome, Web Store, extensions. If it doesn't, I'll have a link to the Google extension thing in the description, so just click on this. And then you just want to search right here, tubebuddy. Not for YouTube or anything like that. And then there should be one like this. You want to click on this tubebuddy one, click on it. And then this should appear, like this thing, and yeah, just click on, there should be a button like install an extension or something. Click on that, it'll take you, I think, through a process or something, blah blah blah, do that, and then you have it. For me it says remove from Chrome because I already have it, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys all next time. Bye!